In a significant development aimed at ending the ongoing conflict in besieged Palestinian enclave of Gaza, truce talks were initiated in Paris on Friday. Representatives from various parties, including Israel's Mossad intelligence service, engaged in discussions with Qatar, Egypt, and the United States. However, due to the sensitivity of the negotiations, the source providing information about the talks preferred to remain anonymous. The talks signaled the most earnest effort in weeks to not only cease the violence in Gaza, but also secure the release of both Israeli and foreign hostages. Each party, including Qatar, Egypt, and the United States, held separate discussions with the head of Mossad intelligence. Amidst escalating tensions, the hope for progress towards a ceasefire and the safe return of hostages is palpable. The source expressed cautious optimism, noting signs that serious negotiations could soon begin. Additionally, Egypt's Al Qahira TV news confirmed the commencement of the talks. Meanwhile, a representative from Hamas announced the conclusion of ceasefire discussions in Cairo. They now await the outcomes of the upcoming talks between mediators and Israeli officials. With tensions high, mediators are intensifying efforts to broker a ceasefire in Gaza. The goal is to prevent potential assault on the city of Rafah, where over 1 million displaced individuals seek shelter along the southern edge of the enclave. Israel has issued a warning, stating it will launch an attack on the city if a truce agreement is not reached promptly. In response, Washington has urged its close ally to refrain from such action, citing concerns over potential civilian casualties in the event of an assault. Hamas leader Ismail Haniyeh held discussions with Egyptian mediators in Cairo last week, marking his first visit since December. Earlier, two Egyptian security sources confirmed that Egyptian intelligence chief Abbas Kamel would travel to Paris on Friday for talks with Israeli representatives following discussions with Haniyeh in Cairo. Israel has not publicly commented on the Paris talks, which are anticipated to continue over the weekend. The Hamas representatives, speaking anonymously, disclosed that the group did not present any new proposals during discussions with the Egyptians. Instead, they await the outcome of the mediators' dialogue with Israeli counterparts. We have shared our proposal with the Egyptians and await their return from Paris, stated the Hamas official. The situation remains tense as stakeholders await further developments in the ongoing negotiations.